Okay, boys and girls, now I'm going to show you when we have the teensy turned on and we're powering the comparator. This is what we see in the oscilloscope. The comparator output is a blue line, and as I turn the potentiometer, look what happens. I'm beginning to see pictures like this. Let's pause and we'll see what this looks like. The comparator turns on when the voltage is higher than a certain amount. So the comparator level must be set to there. So we're converting these exponential spikes to voltage pulses, and that's the comparator level there. Anytime the yellow voltage gets higher than a certain amount, we get an on-off kind of a signal. Okay, that's good. Now we'll keep recording it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so what we're going to do is use the teensy to capture those blue lines. Okay, so now we're going to start our Arduino. You'll have to download this teensy thing as well. It's all in the write-up. So you'll see what happens with this guy here when the time comes. I'll upload a program as normal to the Arduino, but then this guy turns up and it tells me press a button on the teensy, that's all. Okay, so this is a SPAD teensy. I've already figured this out. Oh, let's go Tools, USB type serial fine, or report. COM8 teensy. Okay, I guess I must know that's what it is. So I'm just going to upload it. Now I'm going to be taking this. I'm going to be taking data for 5 million milliseconds. So that's 5 seconds. So this is doing its little Arduino thing. Ultimately, what we're concerned with is we're going to press that button there. It'll be the serial monitor. That's what'll get us our data. Linking everything together. Okay, so it's making a hex file. Good. Reboot. Okay. So now, opening teensy loader. This lad here is the teensy loader. I'm going to press the button on the teensy. Bang, I pressed it. Lovely. Now, I'm going to open a serial monitor, and it says waiting for the start button. So, bang, I hit the start button. All these, I actually just used the jumper wire, but that's fine. All these can. Now, I'm going to do Control A, Control Copy, and I'm going to save this to a text file. Control V. And I'm going to save this. Save as. Let's save it. Okay, not in more data, but in the avalanche. Not run 1, but run 2. Run 2. Save. Now I'll open up and actually, I'm going to clear the output. Let's see if it works again. I was having a bit of trouble with it last night. Bang. Yeah, it works. It works no problem at all. Last night I was having trouble with it working, and I had to upload it again. Okay, so let's close out of all this stuff. And now I'm going to open up Mr. Excel, which is an awful thing to be using, but that's okay. You really should be writing your own Python code to read in these files, but that's okay. Start with a blank workbook. I'm going to get some data. I'm going to get the data from a file, from a text file. Lovely jubbly. Having a long wait here. Import data. Christ, where are we? Okay, we're on LED Avalanche. Good. Run 2. Import. Oh, I should have went for tools, shouldn't I? Okay, this actually looks okay. I'll load it. Maybe actually there's a lot of it. Okay, so what this means is, this is the pause. I waited that long. I waited that many microseconds, then that many, then that many. This is the gap between the pulses. That's what that is. And actually, I think that you could probably already insert a histogram. Let me see all charts. Yeah, this is how it should look. It should look Bosonian. Okay, so that's we'll have lots of fun analyzing all this data. Okay, goodbye.